Hey guys, welcome back. We're back over here. I'm going to leave this now clean out here. Hopefully now maybe if I get clean out, I'll try and get a load of filling and brought up for next weekend, and just throw it in because maybe it's about 4 or 5 inches lower than the concrete here. So we have the bit of bad silage gone out already. That's gone off over there in the back of that pile. So yeah, we get this job done here this morning, and hopefully then I'll order up a load of filling and hopefully he'll be able to deliver up here now. But I'm not saying he'll be able to because it's a tight enough of a spot here, but we'll see anyway. We'll see, yeah. Look, we get weighed, and I might stick it up on time lapse there somewhere, and just can keep an eye on me from there. Now, I don't know whether you can see the depth we're at there now, but yeah, we're only a foot deep there where the concrete meets there, so we'll need a good filling of stone there. So what would have happened was previously over the years, all this is all a dry clay floor, and over the years of cleaning out, eventually you will take bits of the old stone floor with you, like what I'm kind of doing there as well, and a small bit there. So, but it was never put back. So that's what we'll have to do. We'll have to, yeah, we'll have to put back some of that stone. All right. So hard to gauge how many ton I'd need, but sure, I need a couple of ton. I know. Too bad now, all the same. I think we have enough out. I know we won't get in there by the corners in there, say, but I think now fairly good. We'll push all that up for a second now. Right, that's it now. I don't know what he's better make it out or not now, but just along there there is a good fall, but it is worse over there now. Not as bad here, but I'll see. I'll ring the man now or during the week, see can he drop up maybe 4 or 5 ton of 2-inch with what do you call it, 2-inch with a mix of dust in it. Might go in there nicely, so yeah. Right, that's that one knocked off the list. What do we want to do now? We didn't get to bring that trailer back yesterday after, so I want to bring that on, hook that up I think now, and see whether or not try and get Kyle to drop that back to that man there before we finish up for the day. Here we want to give bull calves an old bale out in the field today. Had planned to bring them in, but as you can see I'm in a t-shirt, wicked mild altogether here. So I said we'd leave them out, we'll throw a bale out in the field to them, and that'll keep them going out there for a week or so. I'd rather it to be a small bit cooler than what it is actually, because today now is very mild and damp, so I don't fancy bringing in the calves today, not when it's so mild and then they're all damp, and I'd be afraid it might start sweating in the shed and catch pneumonia and stuff like that. So I said we'll throw a bale out to them be damned today, and that'll keep them going for a week or so outside till they get used to the silage then as well, yeah, so they'll nibble away ahead. So we won't be doing that in here this weekend. Now my tractor's rolling, put up the handbrake. So yeah, I'll get out our own feeder, and we'll bring it up, and we'll move them into the paddock that's closest to the lane on the way up, say. So it'll be handy for getting up and down. Plus it'll be handy for when they do come in then next week, hopefully next week or the week after, we'll just run them in the lane, down the lane and straight into the shed here. So we'll get with that. So we'll pull out our own feeder. We have a couple of them here anyway. So we have two here. Well, 1.5 here. And a bit of a sheep feeder. But yeah, I'll pull out these two here. And we get them hooked up and get them out to the field. Now, I should have brought a couple of spanners with me, but I don't think I have that in the tractor. Gosh, there, isn't she? Oh, I went the wrong way around, that's it, have I? We'll chance it and see what happens. There's barely enough so there won't be getting so there won't be near the... Yeah. You're going to go for me now, are you? That's it. Hold on. That'll do. Right. Oh yeah, I have my tractor way on today as well. In the silage now that we already had at the puncture on there when we brought back from the home farm, as we call it, the home farm. There's a good difference now with that weight on the weights on the back of it. You wouldn't hardly feel the silage bale on the front of it at all. Get that plastic off before we put into that feeder there. Out nicely. Sorted. Now, we'll see will they play ball now here. Come on guys. Come on, over that way. Come on. There's a field that little bit of grass over there. Come on. Go on. And there's a bit of a silage over there as well. Go on. Go on. Now. Over there now and see. These like the bit of silage. And I lock these back up here again this side. And they're going over to have a look on it. I don't know whether it might be more of a scratch than they want now or a bit of silage. Yeah. Little blue is eating it anyways. There is a bit of grass up there. They will polish that off as well. So, I know. I'll keep them fed there now for a week or so. So yeah. Right. I just need to get a couple more stakes or up along there, white stakes. And that's me done for today. Right, that's them now. Fence is on. So we'll leave them there now for another while. Probably we'll see how they go in a week's time, say. Whether we put them in or not. All depends on the weather, sure. Right, we'll drive on and do something else. Right, we'll drop this bag of mail down for these boys down here, and we'll have a little chat about them. We're going to be waiting for another while, so we'll drop this down, turn off the tractor, and let us know the story then. Now, that's that done. Right, the story is these boys are going to stay with us for another while. We had the man up from the factory. He came up there maybe, was it 2 nights ago now? So he said that the cement is probably ready, but the other 2 boys are not fleshy enough looking. So the plan is just to keep him for another month here. Throw another bit of mail into him, plenty of good silage, and we'll see how we go in a month's time. We'll maybe a month, 6 weeks maybe, so we'll get him back up then again. I thought myself now, especially 2 of them, especially the Smental and the Black Frisian, to be alright, but I thought to be alright now, flesh enough, but seemingly that's his job. He knows whether they're right or not. So we'll keep these boys going for another while. Try and get another 50 kgs on them maybe, I don't know. You'd be hoping you would anyway. But if not, we might have to try them in the local market there before the end of the year, because they'll be coming up to their 24 months of age then, so they'll be getting too old to head for the factory. So yeah, we'll give them another bit of mail, give them another bit of time, we'll see how they go. Throw out a comment down below there and let us know what you think of the weights of these 2 Frisian boys. Like I was saying, this fella here, he's 5'10", and the black lad there, he's 600 kgs, so yeah, I'd be interested to know other lads there, see what they think. Yeah, throw out a comment down below, sure. But anyway guys, on that note, we're going to leave it there for this week. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share, throw a comment down below, and subscribe as usual, please. But look, go on, we'll chat to you the next one, alright? Mind yourselves. Good luck.